Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today we're going to look at a NauticStar 2302 Legacy. Starting at the back of the boat, this boat is powered with a Yamaha 200 4-stroke engine, has underwater lights, trim tabs, ski tow bar, a live well in the transom, seating in the very back of the boat, removable, has a cooler underneath your helm, flip up bolster seats, it's a Simrad GPS chart finder, has the optional filler cushion table in the bow, solid fiberglass T-top and speakers, spreader lights, radio box, rod holders, cup holder in the gunnel with flush mount rod holders, pop-up cleats, up and give you a view of the front. Nice large bow cap, good for inshore and offshore fishing. If you'd like to see this or any of the other boats that we carry at MarineMax Lake Norman, give us a call, 704-997-2168, or drop on by and take a look.